How to unlink WhatsApp from the Facebook account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlink WhatsApp from your Facebook account. First, go to the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, reach the profile shown at the top right corner. Now tap on your account and select the Edit Profile option. Here, scroll down and you will find the Links option. Then tap on Edit and you will see all the linked accounts. Lastly, you can select your WhatsApp link and hit the Remove Link button to unlink WhatsApp from your Facebook account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.